the last part of subtopic 5.4, application of vector in geometry. So for today, for class today, I would like to discuss equation of plane, ataupun bahasa Melayunya persamaan satah, equation of plane. Okay, so if you are given one plane, okay, so you have to know how to find the equation of plane. So objective for today, okay, so all of you should know how to write the equation of plane, and then all of you should know how to find the angle between two plane. Okay, so maybe you are given certain problem, so you have to know how to get the equation of plane. All right, so now we start to discuss the equation of plane. So basically, okay, if you're given a point A, okay, here I just write point A, x1, y1, z1, and arbitrary point r equal to x, y, z lie on the plane. Okay, if I draw, okay, I would like to draw our plane. Okay, so maybe this is your plane, the yellow color. Okay, this is your plane. Okay, on your plane, maybe we have 2 points, that is A and R, right? A and R. And then, so on your plane also we have one orthogonal vector. What is orthogonal vector? Vector that is orthogonal, the other word is perpendicular. Vektor yang berserenjang dengan plane tu. Kalau kita you ada plane, ada satu lagi vektor. Okay, ada satu lagi vektor. This vector we call normal vector. This called normal vector. This vector actually perpendicular to plane, ataupun orthogonal, to plane. Okay, so ini your plane, symbol plane, symbol of plane sometimes kita buat macam ni. Symbol pi, the biggest pi dekat situ kan, pi yang besar. Okay, so this is your plane. So kita ada one vector normal dan kita ada 2 point on your plane. Okay, so how to get the equation of plane? Okay, so as we know, okay, if we find the vector A to R, okay, A to R, A to R here, A to R, if you dot with the vector normal, okay, of course you will get equal to 0 because normal is perpendicular to the plane. AR on the plane, right? So bila you dot, you will get equal to 0, correct? Okay, so vector normal, I think no problem. I will teach you how to get the vector normal. Okay, so to get the vector AR actually, okay, the idea is from position vector. Okay, OA, I did not as vector A. OR, I did not as R. So to get the vector AR, mean A go to O and then continue to R, right? So means R minus A. The other word is OR minus OA. Okay, OR minus OA. This one is AR. So R minus A lah, right? So OR minus OA. So what is OR? OR, the symbol vector is R. OA is A. So R minus A. So I write here R minus A dot N equal to 0. So by using the properties, okay, R minus A dot N equivalent to R dot N equal to R dot N minus A dot N. Okay, equal to 0. Equal to 0. So we just rewrite again. So after we rewrite, now we get R dot N equal to A dot N. So this one we call vector equation of plane. Okay, please memorize this form. Kalau soalan, request find the equation of plane. What you should know? First, the formula R dot N equal to A dot N. Okay, what is A? A is any point on your plane. What is N? N is normal vector to the plane. N is the normal vector to the plane. What is R? R is position vector of R. N to normal. A to position vector of A. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, we need one point on the plane and then we need vector normal. Okay, now the problem is how to find the vector normal. Okay, right? So we just refer the example after this. Okay, so this one actually uh, I give you example lah, let n equal to a vj. Okay, so maybe I give you one simple example here. So n equal to, okay, for example, vector normal is 2, 1, 3. This one just example. Okay, and a point a is point on the plane. Okay, that is for example I give you one value here, 3, 2, 4. Okay, this is one point on the plane. So if you draw, okay, if you draw, this is point A. This is coordinate A. And then we have normal. So this is your vector normal. Vector normal. This is your normal. Okay, so to find the equation of plane, okay, just R dot N equal to A dot N, right? So what is R? Just R. And just tulis saja R. R. What is N? Okay, so N, that's right, N is 2I plus K plus 3K. And point A, okay, just write 3I. Or you can rewrite as matrices. And A is 3, 2, 4. Okay, this is a position vector of A lah, A, 3I plus 2J plus 4K. So you can rewrite again as 3, 2, 4 dot normal. Normal is 2, 1, 3. Okay, then you solve this part. Okay, on your right, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 times 1 is 2, plus 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so you just add up to 14, 18. 18. So this equation R dot 2I plus J plus 3K equal to 18. This one we call equation of plane in vector form. Equation of plane in vector form. Okay, sama macam equation of line. Dia ada three form, right? Vector, parametric and Cartesian. Okay, so for plane, dia ada dua bentuk. Vector or Cartesian. Vector or Cartesian. So vector, okay, this one settled. This one in vector form. Okay, so how to write in Cartesian form? Okay, we just continue. Okay, we just continue. We just rewrite R as X, Y, Z. Okay, then you dot with the normal 2, 1, 3 equal to 18. So you just multiply. Okay,
Sir,
yeah,
yang 18 tu 20.
20. Oh, okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, 20. Okay, thank you. Okay, 20. Okay, correct, 20. Because 6 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 12 is 20. Very good. Okay, so X times 2, you will get 2X plus Y times 1, you will get Y plus Z times 3, 3Z equal to 20. So this form we call Cartesian form, bentuk Cartesian. Dapat ni? Bentuk Cartesian. So actually from Cartesian we can get the normal. How to get the normal? The coefficient of X, Y, Z. That's a normal. Betul tak? Kalau you tengok, coefficient of X, Y, Z itu actually your normal. Right? Okay, you can get, you never get the normal from this value. Okay, kita tak tahu what is the normal from the value, right? Okay, so we can check from the coefficient of X, Y, Z. The coefficient of X, Y, Z, that's a normal. Okay, all right. So this one actually explanation for this part. Okay, if you write X, Y, Z, I think difficult to understand, right? So I rewrite again dalam value, right? So easier for you to understand. Okay, okay, settle. This is your Cartesian form. Okay, next. Okay, the next part you have to know the angle between two plane. Macam mana nak cari sudut di antara dua plane? So kita ada dua case ni. One of the case is how to find the angle between plane and line. Okay, kalau I draw plane and line pun ada cara lah. Ada cara dia. Okay, plane dengan plane pun ada cara untuk cari dia. Okay, I akan explain one by one. So, right. So kalau I draw plane, this is your plane 1. Your plane 1. Now I draw for second plane. Maybe macam ni lah. This is your second plane lah. Dia agak panjang sini kan. This is your second plane. Okay. So how to get the angle between plane? Kalau you understand, angle dia ni lah. Betul tak? Angle this one is plane. Okay. Ini plane yang green tu. Ni atas. Ni angle tu lah yang kita nak. Itu theta dia. Okay. Nampak serabut sikit. Sekejap. Saya harap you faham kat mana angle yang kita nak cari tu. Okay. I redraw again. Okay. Ini you punya ni. Ni you punya ni. Okay. Ya. Inilah angle dia nak cari. Okay. So, angle between plane dengan plane. So, apa yang kita akan guna? Kita akan gunakan both. Okay. Normal. Dua-duanya kita akan pakai normal. Okay. Yang green punya tu, of course dia akan ada normal dia kan. Mesti dia akan ada normal dia. Yang satu lagi tu pun, mesti dia ada dia punya normal dia juga kan. Mesti ada normal dia juga. Sini pun mesti ada dia punya normal dia. Okay. Yang green ni pun mesti ada dia punya normal dia kan. Right. So kita akan gunakan normal. So actually sudut yang ini samalah dengan sudut ni. Sudut between normal dengan normal tu. Okay. Contoh this one is plane 1. Okay. This one is plane 2. This one is a plane 2. So normal for plane 2. Okay. And then normal for plane 1. Okay. You cari dulu what is the normal plane 1 and normal plane 2. So now you're using formula. Okay, you refer subtopic 5.2, right? Theta equal to part cos A dot B over magnitude A magnitude B, right? So you just replace A with the first normal, B as your second normal for the second plane. Boleh? Then you kira lah. Then you akan dapat angle dia between normal and normal. Angle tu actually exactly sama kalau you nampak dekat plane tu. Between plane and plane. Dia akan ada satu angle. Actually plane ni kalau you nampak, kalau you ada apa tu, yang Qurannya tu, apa nama tu? Siapa ingat nama dia? Yang Quran punya yang lipat tu untuk letak kat Al-Quran tu.
Rehal.
Rehal. Yes, rehal. Rehal dia macam tu lah. Macam-macam rehal. Dia ada dua lapis tu kan. Between rehal tu adalah dia punya angle lah. You faham macam tu. You nampak. Ini kan bentuk rehal lah. Bentuk rehal. So angle tu between tu. Okay. So you akan faham dia punya sudut. Ni adalah formula yang kita akan pakai lah. Sama juga macam line dengan tu. Okay, good. Okay, one more thing, just extra note. Okay, maybe we have example for that. If we have a plane, okay, and then maybe, and then we have line. Okay, line. Okay, so also you need to find the angle between plane and line. Angle ni, theta ni. Boleh nampak tak dia punya figure tu? Ataupun I nak lukis yang cantik sikit lah. Okay, this is your line. This is your line. And then one more thing, this is your plane. Okay, line dia kat sini lah. Dia tembus kat situ. Okay, ni your line. Okay, your line kan? Okay, nak nampak dah lagi cantik. Okay, good. Okay, so ini, yang ini. Okay, ni you punya plane. Ni you punya line. Plane simbol dia pi. Pi besar. Itu simbol bagi plane. Line kita pakai L ya. Okay, so between line dengan plane, angle dia yang ini. Ini theta dia. Okay, sudut tu yang kita nak carilah. Tetapi bezanya dengan plane dengan plane, line kita tidak ada normal. Tapi line tu kita ada apa? Kita ada vektor D ataupun V. Tengah buku pakai D, V. D. Vektor apa D tu? Vektor parallel to the line. So vektor parallel to the line, kemudian normal. Yang normal tu nanti kita akan cari dia punya vektor normal dia. Vektor normal. Faham macam ni dulu ni? Ini konsep. Nanti I akan bagi contoh. Okay. Okay, plane. Tak ada normal. Line, you pakai vektor D. You cari angle between ni. Cari angle between ni. Maksudnya angle dia adalah arc cos. Okay. D dotkan dengan N over magnitude D and magnitude of N. You cari yang itu dulu. Okay. Lepas you dapat ni adalah sudut alpha, tapi sudut yang atas ni you dapat. Untuk mencari sudut theta ini, you just tolakkan sajalah. Maksudnya 90 tu you tolakkan dengan alpha. Okay. So you akan dapatlah sudut theta tu. Ni kalau you jumpalah soalan yang ada intersect apa? Angle between line and plane. How to get the angle. Okay. But angle you dapatlah angle yang atas ni. Bukan angle line dengan plane. So you kena 90 tu you minuskan dengan sudut tu. Okay, I think better we discuss a few example, then you will understand. Okay, one by one. Okay, now the first example. Find the equation of plane containing A. Meaning that this point A, actually on the plane and perpendicular to I plus 3J minus 4K. Okay, ni vektor yang perpendicular. Means kalau you draw, kalau you understand, kalau you draw, this is your plane, this is your plane. Okay, we have one point on your plane. This is point A. This is point A, 1, 4, -3. And one more thing, we have one vector that is perpendicular. So of course lah, this one is normal. Automatic vector itu normal because vector ni adalah perpendicular ataupun orthogonal. Orthogonal to the plane. Okay. So your equation of plane, recall back what is the equation of plane? That is R dot N equal to A dot N, right? R dot N equal to A dot N. Okay. Okay. Now, not stated here. You need to write in vector or Cartesian. So I think better we write in Cartesian equation lah. Okay, if only in vector, just write R dot, what is vector normal? That is 2I plus 3J minus 4K. This is your vector normal. What is your A? Okay, A is point A on your plane. A is 1, 4, -3. Okay, and then you dot with the normal. Normal is 2, 3, -4. Okay, now you try to calculate this one on your right. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 4 times 3, 12 plus -3 times -4, that is 12, right? 12 plus 12, 24 plus 2 is 26. Okay, 26. So, then you rewrite again lah. So this one, your vector equation of plane. Dah siap. Vector equation of plane. Okay, now to rewrite in Cartesian, we just solve on your left side. You just write L2 as x, y, z. dot with the vector normal 3, 3, negative 4 equal to 26. So just multiply. Vector normal is not 3, this one is 2, sorry. My writing wrong. 2 I plus 3j, this one is 2, not 3, 2. So you will get 2x, just multiply 2x, 2x, multiply 3y plus 3y plus negative 4z, negative 4z. Okay, so you will get, this is a Cartesian equation of plane. Okay, any question before I proceed the next example? Ada soalan tak sebelum I proceed next example? I think clear. A is point on the plane, and then you have to find the vector normal. Okay, what is vector normal? Vector that is perpendicular to plane. Okay. The question before I proceed the next example. Okay, so no question. Alright, so you go to the next example. Find the equation of plane containing the point A, B, and C. Okay, I think I need the blank page here. Okay, so this question, okay, if I draw the plane, this is your plane. Okay, on your plane we have 3 points, that is A, B, and C. Okay, point A is 1, 2, 4. Point B is negative 2, 3, 5. And point C, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now, is it we have normal? Kita tak ada normal kan? Betul? We don't have normal. So, recall back subtopic 5.3, cross product. If we cross two vector, vector A and vector B, vector A and vector B, kalau kita crosskan vector A dengan vector B, what happen? Kita akan dapat satu vector N kan? Vector N tu apa? Ni vector N lah, vector normal lah. Vector tu adalah akan perpendicular dengan A dan juga vector B, vector A dan vector B. So, this idea kita pakai dekat sini lah. Kita guna dekat sini. Okay, maksudnya to get the vector normal, untuk dapatkan vector normal, kita kena crosskan dua vector. Untuk dapatkan vector normal tu, kita kena crosskan dua vector. Okay, so sekarang ni, macam mana nak dapatkan dua vector ni? Vector A dengan B tu. Okay, so it's up to you. You nak normal naik kat mana? A ke, titik A ke, titik B ke, titik C? Okay, if you refer my note, I try to get the vector normal come from point A. That's why I find the vector AB and AC. Okay, I will do the different point. Okay, for example, I try to get the vector normal. Okay, come from point B. This is your vector normal from point B. Okay, if normal come from point B, you have to find the vector B to A and B to C. Nampak? Dia punya direction tu jangan salah. Baru normal akan naik dekat titik B. You kena cari vector B to A and B to C. Okay, now I'm doing B to A. Ini lain sikit pada notes lah, saya guna titik B. Okay, so vector B to A, kita kena cari lah. And then kita kena cari juga vector B to C. Kenapa cari itu? Sebab kita nak cross sekejap lagi. Nak cross BA, cross BC. Kenapa kita nak cross? Kita nak cari vector normal. Okay, vector normal. So kalau B pergi A, that is vector OA minus OB lah. A is 1, 2, 4. B is negative 2, 3, 5. Okay, now 1 minus 2, that is 3. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. 4 minus 5, that is negative 1. Okay, I'm right. So the vector is 3, -1, -1. Okay, BC, B to C. C is 3, 1, 2. Okay, vector B, OB, -2, 3, 5. Okay, we try to solve 3 minus 2 is 5. 1 minus 3, that is -2. 2 minus 5, that is -3. Right? Ada tak eye dekat mana-mana? Takut. So, vektor dia adalah 5, -2, -3. Ada soalan so far? Okay. So, now I proceed. I nak cari vektor normal. How to get vector normal? Of course lah. Vector B to A, I try to cross B to C. Okay, macam mana nak cross? Okay, recall balik. Nak cross iaitu I, J, K. Vector BA is 3, -1, -1. Vector BC, 5, -2, -3. Okay, alright. So I, we close first row and first column. -1, -1, -2, -3, minus J. Okay, we close first row and second column. So 3, -1, 5, -3, plus K. Why this one plus? Because this one plus, minus, plus kan? Minor cofactor. Okay, recall back. What is K? 3, -1, 5, -2. Okay. So far, is it okay? Now you multiply. This one you just multiply. So -1 times -3, that is 3, minus 2. I. Okay. Minus 3 times -3 is -9. Minus dengan minus 5, that is plus 5. J. Plus 3 times -2 is -6. 5 times -2 is negative 5, plus 5. Okay. Okay, so you get I. This one you will get -9 plus 5, that is -4. So plus 4 for J. -6 plus 5, so you will get -K. So this is your normal. Okay, I plus 4J minus K. Okay, if you refer my note, my normal is -I minus 4J plus K. Same thing, because this one actually different direction. Okay, if I multiply BC cross BA, yes, I will get the normal is -I plus 4J plus K. Dia macam multiply by negative lah. Kan? Kalau you buat macam itu, jangan apa itu. Negative I minus 4J plus K. Okay, so my note I'm using this normal because I cross AB cross AC. Okay, this one the different one because this one I cross BA cross BC. Okay, but normal is still the same lah. But the only different direction. Tak ada masalah. No problem. Okay, just continue. So now we get the vector normal. Okay, next vector equation R dot N equal to A dot N. Okay, if you like to write in Cartesian equation, you just replace R with the X, Y, Z. What is normal? 1, 4, -1. What is A? Okay. A, you have to refer where your normal come. Come from point B, right? Point B. So you choose point B as your A. Not point A, point B. Dekat mana normal tu naik? Okay. So point B actually -2, 3, 5. Your normal is 1, 4, -1. Okay. Actually, point mana-mana pun boleh. Point mana-mana pun boleh. Tapi the best adalah ambil yang itulah. Okay, you just multiply. So you get -2 plus 12 plus -5. Okay, so you will get -7 plus 5. So you will get 5. So this one you get x plus 4y minus z equal to 5. So this is your equation of plane. Equation of plane in Cartesian form. Dalam bentuk Cartesian form yang itu. Tapi kalau dalam bentuk vektor, just r dot uh, I plus 4j minus k equal to 5 lah. Boleh? Okay, saya tertinggal banyak IJK dan simbol italic dan cacing ni kan. Just tambah. Okay, boleh? Inilah bentuk vektor, inilah bentuk plane. Okay, mungkin ada yang tanya saya kenapa nota ada dua? Sebab direction of normal. Boleh juga jawapan dia adalah negative x minus 4y plus z equal to negative 5. Boleh juga. Sama. Tapi direction normal dia lain. Ini kalau you multiply by negative, dia akan dapat balik lah. Kan? X plus 4y minus z equal to 5. Kalau you tak dengan negatif. So, direction normal tu memainkan peranan lah actually. Tapi jawapan ni dua-dua kita terima. Tak ada masalah. No problem. Dua-dua betul. Okay. Ada soalan nak tanya. You boleh try. Kalau dia naik kat C, dapat apa? Sama juga you akan dapat. Kalau vektor normal tu naik dekat C, apa jadi? Okay. Macam ni lah. Okay, I guna different color of pen. Kalau you nak guna vektor normal, okay, sorry. Dia dah auto scroll. Okay. Okay, kalau vektor normal naik dekat C, apa you kena buat? You kena cari vektor C pergi B, you kena cari C pergi A. You kena cari C pergi B, you kena crosskan dengan C pergi A. Untuk apa ni? To get the normal. Kena faham Kalau naik kat C, carilah C, B, C, A. Dapat dia punya normal dia. Alright. Kalau tak ada apa-apa soalan, saya nak pergi ke the next example. Siapa ada soalan? Ada nak tanya tak? Tak ada kan? Okey, tak ada. Tadi dia bagi titik dekat plane. Dekat plane, dia bagi 3 titik. So, you kena dapatkan vektor. You kena dapatkan vektor, then baru dapat dia punya normal. Example yang ini, dia lain sikit. Dia bagi plane, on the plane tu, dekat atas plane tu, dah ada dua line. Ni satu line, ni satu line. Dua-dua duduk dekat plane. Ni line yang pertama, ni line yang kedua. Dua-dua duduk dekat atas plane. Okay, meaning that, dapat kat situ. So tak perlulah you memerlukan titik. You tak memerlukan titik. So apa yang perlu cari adalah you nak dapatkan, you try to get the vector normal daripada plane tu. Dapatkan vector normal. Macam dapatkan vector normal, dekat line 1 ada apa? Dekat line 1, of course you akan ada satu vektor, vektor D. Line 2 also you akan ada satu vektor, D2. Kan? So dua vektor ni kamu cross lah untuk dapatkan vektor normal. Maksud untuk dapatkan vektor normal, D1 you crosskan dengan D yang kedua. Okay? Untuk you dapatkan dia punya vektor normal. Okay? But the problem now, okay, sekarang ni what's your problem? How to get D? Okay, recall balik last class. How to get D for line 1. Line 1 actually in vector settle beside of T kan. Sebelah T tu, itu adalah vector D-nya. Line 2, okay, check X, Y, Z. Is it at in front of your value? Yes. X minus Y minus Z minus kan. Okay, settle. Okay, look at your denominator. Negative 2, 1, 3. This one actually over 1 lah, right? So, D for line 1, okay, your vector is 3, 1, 1. D2, that is negative 2, 1, 3. This one I hope you understand how to read the parallel vector to line. That is D ataupun a certain book you are using V. But same thing. Okay, benda yang sama. So you will get vector D and D1 and D2. Boleh? So untuk dapatkan normal kita cross lah. Okay, so kita cross. Okay, so okay, dah. I just show the complete solution here. Okay, D1 311, D2 -213. Okay, so you just find the determinant of matrices 3 by 3. Okay, so first row and first column you close, you will get 1113i minus j. Close second column, you get 31 -23. Close the third column and first row, you get 31 -21. Then you get the determinant. Okay, so you get this vector. Any question? You get this. Ingatkan, ingatkan. 1 times 3 minus 1 times 1. Okay, so you will get 2. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 1 times -3. Sorry, 1 times -2. Okay, so 9 plus 2, so 11. So in front here is negative, so negative 11. 3 times 1 minus 1 times -2, so we get 5. Okay, so this is your vector normal. Clear? Okay, if clear, now your equation of plane r dot n equal to a dot n. N settle. But how about a? A nya apa? Okay, line tu ada a kan, dekat atas line ada koordinat kan, dekat atas line ni ada koordinat kan? Koordinat a, right? Ambil salah satu. Okay, for example line 1. Line 1 ada satu a kat sini. Ambil titik tu. Sebab titik tu confirm on the plane. Sebab dia duduk atas line. Line tu pun duduk atas plane. So, point tu pun duduk atas plane lah. Contoh, I ambil 1, 2, negative 1 kan. 1, 2, negative 1. So, that's why, okay, I dah stay kat sini dah. Okay. So, I ambil line A dia tu adalah 1, 2J minus K. So, I just ganti sajalah. Okay. Sebab dia nak, dan ni dia nak vector equation. So, R tu tak perlu ganti X, Y, Z lah. Just biarlah R. Okay, dotkan dengan N dia normal iaitu 2. 2 ataupun nak buatlah bentuk ni pun dulu pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Nak buat bentuk ni dulu kan, malas nak tulis IJK kan, boleh juga. 5 equal to A, ambil vektor titik A, 1, 2, negative 1, dotkan dengan vektor normal, 2, negative 11, 5. Okay, boleh dan kita selesaikan on your right. 1 times 2 is 2, minus 2 times 11, ni plus negative 22 plus negative 5. Okay, so you will get negative 25. Okay, negative 25. So rewrite again. So R dot dengan 2I minus 11J plus 5K. Okay, rewrite in term of IJK equal to negative 25. Okay, done. That's your vector equation of plane. Any question before I proceed to the next example? Okay, I hope you understand. If you are given two lines on your plane, please use vector D. That is, what is D? Vector parallel to the line. Okay, you cross both vector D, then you get vector normal. Okay, to find the vector A, just take it any point A from line 1 or line 2. Okay, no question, so we proceed to the next example. Next example, find the point of intersection of the plane 2x minus 4y plus 3z equal to 1 and the line x minus 2. Okay, this is a line. This is a plane. Okay, Itu plane, itu line. How to get the point of intersection? Okay, kalau I draw ni plane, okay, and then line. Maybe di sini adalah line. Titik ni lah. Ini point ni apa? Point yang saya circle tu. Point tu apa? Kan, ini line, okay, ini plane. Titik ni apa? Titik persalangan tu apa? Okay, so idea dia macam mana? Idea dia, equation of line ini, you write in parametric. You tulis dalam bentuk persamaan parametric equation dulu. Dalam persamaan parametric dulu you tulis. So macam mana nak tulis bentuk parametric? Maksudnya x minus 2 over 3 tu equal to t. Lagi satu, y plus 1 equal to 2 equal to t. Lagi satu, z minus 3 negative 2 equal to t. Okay, selesaikan. So x equal to 2 plus 3t. Correct? Y equal to negative 1 plus 2t. Just cross dulu. Crosskan yang bawah naik atas, dan you bawakan ni ke kanan. Bawakan ni ke kanan. Ni pun you cross juga. So, z equal to 3 minus 2t. Okay. Dapat 3 tu. X equal, Y equal, Z equal. Okay. So, you dah dapat what is X, what is Y, what is Z kan. X, Y, Z. What you need to do, you substitute into plane. Sebab plane ada X, Y, Z kan. Plane ada X, Y, Z. So, you gantikan sajalah. So, substitute dalam plane. So, substitute line into plane. Okay. So, just ganti you akan dapat 2. What is X? X is 2 plus 3t minus 4. What is Y? Negative 1 plus 2t plus 3. What is that? 3 minus 2t equal to 1. Okay, just simplify. 4 plus 6t plus 4 minus xt plus 9 minus 60 equal to 1. Okay, so 60 minus 60 we can cancel. So we have only negative 80. Okay, so 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay, so 1 minus 17 lah. Okay, so we get negative 16. So t equal to negative 16 divided by negative 8. So you will get t equal to 2. After you get the value of t, then you substitute back into parametric equation tadi. Just substitute balik dalam parametric equation. Then you get the value of xy. Okay, so when t equal to 2, so x equal to 2 plus 3 times 2, you will get, 3 times 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. Y equal to negative 1 plus 2 times 2, 4 minus 1, that is 3. Z equal to 3 minus 2 times 2, you will get 3 minus 4, that is negative 1. Oops, sorry. Okay, negative 1. Okay, so the coordinate of point on the plane x, y, z, right? So point dia adalah 8, 3, negative 1. This is we call point of intersection between line and plane. Okay, done. Settle. Bagi bentuk koordinat lah. Bukan bentuk vektor lah, sebab dia titik kan. Just bagilah bentuk koordinat 8, 3, negative 1. Faham Kalau you diberi plane tu, you bagilah bentuk Cartesian supaya senang you selesaikan. Okay. Yang line, you convert jadilah bentuk parametric. After that, you solve simultaneous lah actually. Solve simultaneous sebab point of intersection mestilah solve simultaneous. So between dua equation, plane dengan line. Anggap macam ni lah. Ini first equation, ini second equation. Bukan macam tu lah. Just gantikan saja parametrik itu you substitute dalam plane dan you dapat value T. After dapat value T, you masuk balik dalam parametric equation of line tu. Okay, so you akan dapat point of intersection dia. Okay, question. Before I proceed to the next example. Kita nak cari angle pula. Okay, tak ada. I proceed. Example, find the angle between plane 1 and plane 2. Pi 1 tu bukan maksudnya apa? Ini simbol plane. Ni plane. Plane 1 and plane 2. Both you are given in Cartesian form. Okay, so tadi I dah cakap, plane dengan plane, kita akan gunakan normal. Kalau kita draw, tadi saya dah draw banyak kali kan. Ni plane, ini pun plane juga. Ini pun plane juga kan. So plane yang sini, yang ini normal dia. Dan ini normal dia. So sudut ni sama dengan sudut atas ni. Tadi saya dah explain lah. So nampak drawing macam tak apa cantik kan. I gunakan different colour lah. Okay. Okay. Ni satu plane. Plane yang kedua mungkin saya guna colour lain yang hitam lah. Ni plane yang kedua. Okay. Plane yang kedua. Okay. So angle yang kamu nak cari angle ni lah ni. Angle ni lah. Sudut ni antara plane dengan plane. Ni plane satu. Ni plane dua kan. Sudut ni lah kamu nak cari. So plane yang black ni normal dia mestilah ke atas ni kan. Plane yang ni normal dia mestilah ke sana. So sudut ni lah yang kamu akan cari. Sudut ni sama dengan sudut theta tu. Sama. Okay. So you faham macam tu lah. Alright. So I clear dulu. So apa kita akan buat? Kita akan gunakan normal. So macam mana nak baca normal? Okay. Sebelah I ni. Sebelah XYZ ni. Sebelah XYZ tu you baca itulah normal bagi first plane. 131. Plane tu pun sama. Sebelah tu. XYZ ni. Sebelah XYZ tu. 2, -1, 5. 2, -1, 5. Itu adalah second plane. Okay. So as usual lah, just masukkan saja dalam formula. Masukkan saja dalam formula. Okay, n1 dot n2. Okay, n1 dot n2. Dapatlah kat sini lah. n1 dot n2. You dotkan saja. Tahu kan nak dot kan? Ataupun kalau tak jelas, n1 dot dengan n2. n1 is 131. Dotkan dengan 2, -1, 5. Okay, so you get apa? 2 plus -3 and then plus 5. Okay, so 7 minus 3 that is 4. Dapatlah 4. And then you cari magnitude of normal 1 and magnitude of normal 2. Okay, ada buat kat sini. So I will get normal 1, magnitude is square root 11 and 2 is square root 30. I think I perlu repeat lah. Benda yang sama, how to get the magnitude. Okay. So you key in into your calculator, make sure your calculator is degree, so you will get 77.28. Itu angle between two plane tu adalah 77.28. Okay. Last example. Kita ada lagi 5 minit. Okay, last example. Point PQR are point on the plane. Find the angle between the straight line and the plane. Okay. So, kita fahamkan dulu cerita dia. You ada plane. Ada 3 titik kat situ. P, Q, R. Okay. And then ada satu line. Satu line. Ada satu line dekat situ. Katalah line dia dekat sini. Ni line. Okay, ni line. Angle kita nak cari angle yang mana? Angle yang ni lah. Angle yang ni. Ni adalah sudut kita nak cari theta tu. Okay. So, macam mana nak cari angle theta tu? Ni plane. Ni plane. Ni line kan? Ni line. Macam nak cari sudut theta tu? Okay. Tadi saya dah cerita. Plane, vektor yang ada, kita boleh kita boleh gunakan vektor normal. Kita boleh cari vektor normal. Nanti kita cari sudut yang ni dulu. Cari sudut yang ni dulu. Sudut alfa ni dulu kita cari. Nanti 90 ni tolakkan saja dengan tu. 90 tolakkan sudut yang bawah tu. Okey, sudut normal tu macam mana nak cari? Kalau kita ada 3 titik, so we can get the vector normal lah. Okey. So dekat dalam nota saya menggunakan titik vektor normal tu naik kat titik P. Normal tu sama So apa yang saya akan buat adalah saya akan cari P pergi Q, P pergi R. Dah, I dah cari dah. P pergi Q, P pergi R. And then I cross. Kenapa I cross? Ini adalah untuk mencari apa? Untuk mencari normal. Untuk mencari normal. Okey, so bila I dah dapat normal, ni normal dia. So, I gunakan line punya. Line ni ada apa dekat atas dia? Line ni ada apa kat atas dia? D. D. Ataupun vektor yang parallel dengan line tu. Okay, so I gunakan normal, I gunakan D. I gunakan normal, I gunakan D. Okay, so I masukkan sajalah dalam formula ni. Normal dengan D. So as usual lah, you just dotkan saja. You cari magnitude bagi D, you cari magnitude bagi normal. Okay, dan you kira you akan dapat 73.22. Tapi sudut ni sudut yang mana? Sudut alfa tu. Ni I potong dulu, sudut alfa. Sudut alfa yang you dapat. Tapi kita nak cari theta. Theta tu apa? Sudut line dengan plane. So apa I buat? Sudut ni mestilah 90 degree kan? So 90 you tolakkan sajalah. 90 you tolakkan dengan sudut yang kamu dapat tu. Kamu dapat sudut alfa tu. Tolakkan saja, then you will get 16.78. Ini baru sudut between line dengan plane. Okay?